Okay, doing the first test of the new air conditioner. When I started it, it was 80 degrees in here. It's now 76. And when I started, my battery was at 100%. So now at 97. Keep in mind, I am also in full sun with 400 watts of solar panels on the roof. And we've been running for 22 minutes. And that's what we're looking at. Should be able to run this for a few hours. And it's not that loud. We got some solar coming in. It's just not that loud. It's not that loud. We'll go outside and let you listen to it. Barely hear it from this door. Not the most neatest install, but it's working. It's working. It's not that loud. Come up to the front. Can't even hear it. My paneling for this side, I have it all fitted where it'll fit over the air conditioner and everything. I'm just leaving it off because it's going to rain the next couple of days and I want to check for leaks. So once I make sure it's not leaking, I'll put my wood panel back up. And yeah, it's running off the inverter. Still going good. This is the 5,000 BTU media from Walmart. With tax, it was like $155. I just have it on low cool. Low cool. About right there. Not even all the way maxed out. It's blowing good. We're still on 76. Yeah, this is going to work out great. Probably should have done it much sooner. Oh. Okay. Let's Well, here we go. This is going to be the setup for the AC. I got a little generator, Pulsar. There's the specs on it. Dual fuel. And it'll run that. 5,000 BTU air conditioner. Right there is plugged into the inverter. And then that yellow plug would be for the plug that comes in from the outside where I plug in the generator. So I can run it either way. Just on the battery, I can only do it for a few hours, probably 3-4 max, and that's it. And really happy with this little generator. It works good. I haven't used it very much, just tested it out a bit and did the break-in and changed the oil. I'm going to get ready to go on a trip here shortly. And then since it's summer and it's in the 90s here in the south, I'm going to be needing the AC. So yeah, I'm probably going to take this carrier. I have another carrier that you can also carry your bikes on, but I'm not taking my bike on this trip. So this is it.